Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Today you are going to learn about the different digital marketing channels. So let's understand what are those channels. The first channel is social media marketing. Second channel is the pay per click and SEM. Third is email marketing. Fourth is market automation, inbound marketing, affiliate marketing, and website. Apart from that, there are more other channels also, but these are the major channels. You have to practice these channels, so you have to understand these channels very well so that you can become the master in the digital marketing. So these are the major channels which you have to work further also, and we will be basically focusing on these channels especially. So let's understand that what are the different types of the channels. Since we just now saw that these are the different modes of different digital marketing channels, but however, there are the three types of the this digital marketing channels. First is the organic channel. So this organic channel, what do you mean by organic channels? The organic channel means the reach via search engine. So whatever the anything you will see on the search engine. So anyone like goes to the Google is a search engine, Bing is the search engine. So these search engine, whatever you search in the search engine and you find, suppose you want to check any suppose any mobile you want to check, so you are checking the mobile and you are finding the result on the Google. So that whatever result you are getting, that is the organic result. So that's the reason these channels are called as the organic channels. Second channel, which is the paid channel. So what is the paid channel? Means that this paid channel is basically the paid advertisement. So whatever the paid advertisement we are doing in the social media channel, like in Google we are doing some paid ads, we are doing in the social media platform like Facebook, Instagram. So such platforms, whatever the advertisement we are doing is called as a paid channel. So third channel is like a referral traffic. So referral traffic is a kind of the affiliate marketing. So affiliate marketing we will learn later on in a much better way. So affiliate marketing, I'm just briefing you. Affiliate marketing is promoting someone else's product. It's called as affiliate marketing. So basically, if I have the product and you wanted to sell my product, and I'll be giving you the commission for that. So you are the affiliate for my company. So you are doing the affiliate marketing for my company. So this is a short description, I mean detail about the affiliate marketing. However, we are going to learn more about the affiliate marketing in our further chapters. So now let's understand each and every channels individually. So what is the role of the website? See, website is the strategic promotion of the website and drive relevant traffic to the site. So suppose you have the website of your company or for the product you wanted to sell. So I mean, whatever the product you are selling on your website or whatever the content you have there in the website, so it's like what happened, anyone search in the search engine, so automatically they get the connection of your website and they comes to your website, they check your content and accordingly they approach you or they avail the service. So website is one of the major role it plays while when it comes to the digital marketing. So any digital marketer is required to first do start the website and to make sure that website should also be properly optimized. So second channel of the digital marketing is the affiliate marketing. As I just now told you that affiliate marketing is one of the most effective channel when it comes to digital marketing, because this channel is like earning a commission from the promotions product, promoting the product. So I mean, in this there is no the advertisement and there is no organic traffic. This is basically a referral traffic. So this is the short definition of the affiliate marketing. Now the affiliate marketing is the second channel of the digital marketing. Third channel, which comes to email marketing, as we have seen on our second day, that what are the email marketing, where you saw that on my Gmail account there are a few ads which I have received from the GeoMart, and for the promotion of this particular platform, the Geo company has run the ad. I mean that email marketing campaign they have run. So that email marketing campaign is called as the email marketing, when you're promoting your brand or the services through email. So this is the third channel of the digital marketing. The fourth major channel of the digital marketing is the social media marketing. The social media marketing is one of the most important channels of the digital marketing, because this covers 80% of the digital marketing entire platform. And this platform is one of the most profitable and one of the most targeted channels of the digital marketing. The social media marketing, like as we discussed, just a social marketing platform basically to connect the audience, to build the brand, or to increase the sale, or to drive the website traffic. So we use the social media platform like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, Pinterest, YouTube. So these are the different social media platforms. So using this platform when we are promoting a brand, so it's called as social media marketing. The fifth most important aspects of the channels of the digital marketing is the content marketing. So what is the content marketing? Basically, suppose if you have this mouse, so one company wants to promote this mouse, so it's like company also wants this mouse to be given a good review, and also the company wants there should be a descriptive some content also to be there online. So whatever the content, if any writer writes on online platform, so that gives the positive effect in the reader's minds when it comes to understanding the product, and it also gives the better understanding about the product and the services. Because suppose this mouse wants to suppose I want to promote this mouse, so I'll basically just write the good review about this, understanding each and every parts of this mouse, that how it works and what are the uses of this mouse and what are the brands and what are the pros and the cons of this mouse. So that if suppose if any other person is coming online, is just checking the mouse for this particular brand or particular model, is going to understand each and everything about this mouse. So in that way it drives more sales and it drives the more confidence and the trust for the brand. So content marketing is also one of the most important and a crucial part of this digital marketing. And this content marketing also it gives us a long term customer base and long term customer trust when it comes to the promotion of the promotion in the online platform. So guys, these were the few channels of the digital marketing. Now these are not only there, as I told you just few minutes back, that there are the other multiple channels in the digital marketing, but however these are the five major channels which we are going to focus, and these channels only we are going to learn in deep, so that you become master in this channel. Once you become master in this channel, you can run any digital marketing campaign, and you can scale your client sales, and you can drive their business in a much productive way. So this was the all about the channels of the digital marketing. I hope you have understand this. If you have any doubt, you can put in the comments below, and you can ask me, and also you can put your comments in the Facebook group. So on the Friday, on the Sunday, I am going to do a live session. In that session, I am going to take your question and I am going to reply you on the session. So it's still, I mean, as I told you that if you have the comment, you can put on the comment box. So that's all from today's session. I'll see you on the next session. Thank you so much for watching the video.